everyone, this is Priscilla. I hope you're all doing great. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. These are some photos that I have taken more recently as the fall has came upon us. I love the beauty of the different colors of the trees and just nature. I've always been fascinated with clouds, and I have many more pictures. If you would like to see them, just let me know below and I will share them with you. And these are parts of Tennessee. If you've never been here, please visit one day. It's a beautiful state. And let me know below where you're from, and if it's country or if it's city. Well, I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video, and have a great night, day, wherever you're at. Thank you for your continued support. I really do appreciate it. I don't know if you know this or not, but I do have a Patreon, also a PayPal. I've been trying to raise some money to get a new camera for where I can do better videos and take better pictures and everything. So if you would like to become a Patreon, my link is in the description. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you, and as always keep smiling.